bright and fiery, and mighty generous. Our glorious sun has always been radiating light and beauty. But never before has its power been harnessed the way it's been in the 21st century. Energy independence and power is the most crucial raw material for economic growth. It must be harnessed and used in the right direction. Sun Alpha Energy is an award-winning premium rooftop and ground-mounted solar PV specialist. Investing, constructing and operating high-quality rooftop and ground-mounted solar PV systems for commercial, industrial and residential power consumers across India and overseas. Founded by IIT and Georgia Institute of Technology technocrats, backed by German R&D, global supply chain, expert engineering, turnkey solutions and industry-leading performance, Sun Alpha currently operates projects in 15 states in India out of their multiple regional and overseas offices.
Sun Alpha is a highly systems-driven company. Of late, we have heavily invested into technology to automate key functions of the company, be it CRM, client documentation, engineering designs, procurement, store management, on-site progress of the projects, plant system handover to the clients after the project is completed, and later operations and maintenance.
Sun Alpha has delivered few of the most technologically advanced and highest generating plants in the country. We have been at the forefront of the tech boom in solar PV industry by introducing and promoting state-of-the-art technology to all our clients.
Sun Alpha is empaneled with Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and various state and central PSUs and an A-class electrical contractor eligible to extend its expertise at all low and high voltage levels. To catalog and deliver the most optimized cost and quality balance, Sun Alpha design engineers designed highly advanced systems as per customer requirements. In terms of procurement, Sun Alpha has proprietary material selection criteria where the team of project managers, on-site construction engineers and quality control managers check the individual vendors' technical and financial criteria.
This ensures that every Sun Alpha project is delivered from design to commissioning as per the client contracts and strict Sun Alpha internal quality and operating procedures.
Our procurement and logistics teams have developed strong tie-ups and service level agreements with leading and reputed global vendors to ensure timely and safe delivery of materials to construction sites.
As safety is the most vital part of every industry, Sun Alpha team is well equipped with adequate personal protection equipment.
For Sun Alpha, nothing comes before safety and quality control. Right from in-house certified training programs for technical staff to adherence to grid compliance, material quality inspection at both dispatch and delivery, and then during construction and handover. Moreover, site insurance including material and on-site workers including their ESI and accident policy covers are a part of every Sun Alpha project. These are some of the many HSE best practices that Sun Alpha works towards on a zero tolerance basis.
We are associated with Sun Alpha from last 2 years now. Sun Alpha is more of a customer driven company and they take care of their customers based on the products they supply, the quality of the products they take care.
The association with Sun Alpha and Delta we can trace back years back, and this is the very honor with Delta and also appreciate to work with Sun Alpha inside this solar segment. It's no doubt Sun Alpha is one of our best and important key account customers in Rajasthan. We identify Sun Alpha as the customer and the partner who can bring the better solutions and environment into India.
The plant has to function for next 25 years, so they take care of each and every BOS material which they supply.
Thanks to Sun Alpha's professional technology and also very expertise inside the solar segment.
Our growth in the industry has been primarily driven by the fact that Sunalpha has delivered all the projects on time and as per the quality standards.
बहुत ही अच्छा कोऑपरेशन है इनका हर एक तरह से, और इन्होंने लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के सोलर पैनल्स लगाए हमारे यहाँ पे और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से फिटिंग की। उन्होंने जो टाइम लिमिट दी थी हमें कि इस समय तक हम आपका पावर जनरेट कर देंगे, उन्होंने उस स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम में हमारा काम कर दिया।
They have done a great job in our all the plants, and the results are awesome. We are going to go a long way.
सोलर पैनल लगाना बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद रहा हमारे लिए, और ये हम हमारे पावर बिलिंग में भी सेविंग कर रहे हैं और इसके साथ साथ नेचर को भी सेविंग कर रहे हैं कि प्रदूषण से बचा रहे हैं। एंड वी आर क्वाइट सेटिस्फाइड विद द वर्क ऑफ Sunalpha.
Sunalpha is a very well-funded company and enjoy full support of its equity partners and the bank time to time.
For us, client satisfaction is the most important thing. Our client trust us with their investment. That's the most important part.
Our collaboration with the multi-financial institution allow us to provide the innovative financial solution to our customers.
Our client relationships are not just for the 3 or 6 month construction period, but for the 25-year life of the plant, where we ensure that the ROI and the payback of our plant is ensured for all our clients.
We are empaneled with MNRE and SECI and have been awarded various state government tenders, being the L1 bidders, to carry out government initiated programs across India.
Sunalpha is ISO and OSAS certified with world-class processes, documentation, quality management and system in place. Sunalpha process flow from project conceptualization, preliminary technical drawings, construction to operation and maintenance makes us unique in the industry.
For every project that Sunalpha executes, Sunalpha proudly contributes to the Rising Sun Foundation that works in social welfare and community development.
Given the recent projects awarded to us, together with consistent positive market feedback, together with a solid pipeline that our sales team has put together, we are investing further in ramping up our project delivery teams so that we can continue to cater to the growing market demand.
At Sunalpha, we treat your solar investments as if it was ours and make sure your assets get all the care it needs to last sustainably. Today, with Sunalpha's team, you can simply compare sunlight with a tap pouring gold. So join us in reducing costs, increasing your energy independence, and reduce global warming.